Folks, Cook with Jax. Tom here. Really excited about the direction that we're going to be taking our video series. We are still going to do those awesome videos that you've come to love of us being outside, showing you how to cook something, be it a steak or some chicken, inside, putting something in the oven to roast or pan searing something. Still going to do that. No change there. We have a big following there and really appreciate all your support with that. However, what we are going to do is more product reviews. Really excited about that. We're going to review restaurants. We're going to review charcoal. We're going to review mayonnaise. We're going to review it all, even probably some other product lines that are competitors of ours. We're going to be as unbiased as possible, obviously, in all this. I know that a lot of people say that, but it's a passion of mine to make sure that we're giving you the best information we can based on our taste buds. And keep in mind, everybody's taste buds is a little bit different, and the way that we perceive things as well. However, I can guarantee you this. Our goal is to really help everybody, no matter in your journey, if you are a professional chef to the backyard griller, to the person that's a one-pot meal, or if you just like entertaining and having folks over and making them something for the weekend. We're going to kind of handle that whole spectrum and really make sure that we're trying to do the best to really provide you with all the tools that you need to be a successful cook in whatever capacity that is. Have fun. You're going to mess up. It's okay. It's our kind of thought process and our theory here. We're going to introduce you more to the dogs, Jax and Sage. We call them the spice dogs around here, but we're going to introduce you more to them. They're going to kind of give you the stamp of approval on products and things as well. Two blue healers, we just love them to death, but we'll pull them into some videos as well. Stay tuned for those great videos. Of course, we're going to continue to center around Jax Premium products. We do offer what I feel is probably some of the best items in the industry for really flavoring your food. We're going to show you how to use it. Sign up for our newsletter as well and get a monthly subscription. To that, no charge on that, and we offer free shipping for anything that you purchase online. So go ahead out and do that. Unleash the flavor in every bite. Cookwithjax.com. Watch for our videos coming out. Thanks, folks.